Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SK45, and in this video we are going to talk about the arrow function. Okay, arrow function. Arrow function is basically a shorthand way to write a function. Okay, so right now what we do, we write something like this. Okay, let calculate tax is equal to function, something like that. Okay, and let's say return anything. I'm just not writing multiple calculation. I'm just returning a value. Okay. So with the array function, with the arrow function, how I can do is, how I can write this code is, I can eliminate this. Okay, and I can use this arrow function. Arrow. Okay. Let's try to run this program. Um, so const result is equal to call this calculate function. Okay, and print that console.log result. Okay, let's see how it is doing. Okay, so this is a short way of writing using the arrow function. So here to remember, the thing is, if we have one line of implementation in this logic, we can eliminate this bracket also. Okay, we can eliminate this bracket also, and this return value also, I mean return keyword also. Okay, we can remove the return keyword, and we can remove the bracket also. So let's try to run that now. Oh, I am not returning anything, so I need to, this was the valid one, this was the valid one, so I need to remove this one also. Okay. Okay, uh, let's suppose if we have to pass some parameter. Okay, so let's say if we have to pass some, so we can sorry, percent, if we have to pass the parameter, use an parameter, so we can use this, we can call it element also, or any variable that we want. Okay, let's say e. So I am trying to just make a division. I'm not writing that any percentage and something. I'm just going to divide by the number. Okay, divide by the number. Okay, whatever is coming here. So I am going to write here and supply here a value. Okay, this is valid. This is our function. This is our function. Sorry, this is basically our function and its implementation. Okay, see what is the result. 20. Okay, so what to remember is that uh, if we have single line of implementation, we can eliminate the bracket and return keyword. And if we have some parameters to supply, we can use it like this. If we have two parameters, let's say, okay, I'm giving something like this: first parameter, first param, and second param. Okay, so if we have something here, let's say for second parameter I am doing this divide what first param and into second parameter. I'm not worried about, I don't worry about the calculation. I'm just writing some, I'm trying to see this. Okay, so this is how we can take the parameters, and here we can use it. Okay, so I can call it xyz, anything x y. So if I am taking that as x and y, I have to take this as x and y. Okay, so yeah, this is, let's see. Okay, so this is the result. I don't know what it is, but yeah, this is the short way of writing in a function. It's a handy way of writing. And important thing I forgot, this arrow function was introduced introduced in ES6. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this arrow function for now. Thank you.